Today we're going to be replacing the 9-cube ice maker in this Samsung French door refrigerator. This is your model plate right here. And this is the area that we're going to be replacing the 9-cube ice maker in. First off, you need to make sure that the water supply is cut off, and also make sure that the actual refrigerator is shut off or unplugged. And to get this ice hut out, you got a lever. You just pull the lever, pull the ice hut towards you. And as you can tell, we have an ice maker that's installed at the very top. Now, to pull this particular ice maker out, you will notice we have a number 2 Phillips head screw sitting right here. What we're going to do is we're going to back this screw out. This particular plate will come undone. You have a little recess button here. Sometimes you might want to have to get a little flat tip screwdriver. You just take the screwdriver and we're just going to kind of pop this out and slide it forward. And you will see our plug connection for the ice maker. This particular plug, you just push the little tab in here and you pull it down. That will disconnect that. If you'll notice at the very top of the ice maker, we have a release lever. This little lever sitting right here needs to be depressed. And slide it forward. Now this ice maker, the plug has a harness that goes all the way to the very back, and you'll have to work that through, and then the ice maker itself will pull straight out. If you'll notice, we have these little lockdown shoe. This is where this particular part of the ice maker will slide into once we snap the new one back. This is the replacement 9-cube ice maker. As you can tell here, we have a little blue reset button. Once we get this installed and once we replace the electronic control water valve, we will hit this button to cycle the ice maker. Now, simple steps to put it back is we're just going to reverse how we took it out. And first off, if you'll look at the very back portion, you will see this little ridge way back in the top corner back there. This particular part of the ice maker fits into that back ridge up there. And we're just going to take it, and you can feel it. And this will snap in place. As you can tell, the ice maker is now snapped back into place. You will pull this wiring harness and plug it back in. There's only one way this harness will plug in, so don't get confused. It's not hard to do. And then we're going to take the plug. We're going to put it back into the railing. Just like that. And then we're going to simply put the access panel shield back on. And if you notice, we have these tabs right here. We have a tab here and a tab here. And we'll just simply put the Phillips screw back in. Take our ice hut. This Samsung ice maker is part number DA97-07365, G as in Gary.